Learn how to make organic whipped cream frosting with just 3 ingredients. Start by adding 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 142 grams of sifted powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to a stand mixer with the whisk attachment. You can also use a hand mixer if you prefer, but I feel like the stand mixer is faster and it's also hands-free. Start mixing on low to avoid splattering, then slowly increase the speed as the mixture begins to thicken. Continue to do this until you are at full speed. Whisk until stiff peaks form. This is very similar to making homemade whipped cream. Once the frosting is done, it's ready to use for cakes or cupcakes. Whipped cream frosting is a lightly sweet and airy frosting that's great for simple one-layer cakes, naked cakes, or even cupcakes. This frosting is not as sweet as traditional American buttercream frosting, and it pairs really well with fresh fruit, chocolate, and even cozy spices. I love piping this frosting as it's smooth and simple to work with. Whenever making anything with whipped cream frosting, be sure to store it in the fridge. For more recipes made better with organic ingredients, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.